Alright guys, back with another one, 412 Pyro. I know I'm not the only one. Went and bought whatever they could before these prices went through the roof. So, let's check it out, see what we got. Alright, got the Megatron. Big old cake, Nunya. 36 shot. Big old beast. You got the King Bunny, 225 shot. This thing's real nice. Lots of nice colors. Nice different effects in that one. You got the 2-inch bombshell, 36 shots. These are real nice too. Nice 2-1. I feel like you get some more bang for your buck on these ones. Two cases of the Black Magic. This 1%er stuff, man. This artwork is just killing it. Alright. Moving on. Bunch of shells. Case of the lightsabers. Case of the bongos. Case of the Trump returns. Two cases of the Mahjong Boos. They're underneath this, but we got a Gangster's Paradise. This thing is sick. This art is just crazy. Super sick. Cool. A lot of people picked this up just for this art. This is dope. 100 shot. You got the A and B. So I don't think it's the same. I think they're either one's a little different. So that's, I like that. Got a case of the Master Babe. Couldn't go wrong with these. I love these little 100 shot cakes, man. These are real nice. Keep a pace of a show going. Can't go wrong with these. Got the Super Shredder. This is new for 2025. Another one, another sick cake. Got half case of the Bonzos. Supposedly the Jungle Killers. I don't know. Haven't shot them yet, but definitely check them out. Excited about those. Sorry guys, it's a little tight. I'm in my garage. It's a little tight. Got half case of the Master Color Ballistics. These are real nice color rockets, guys. If you see them, pick them up. Usually not too bad price, so check them out for sure. Got the Masterpiece, 200 shot. These 200 shot cakes, I mean, you can't go wrong with these either. Lots of nice colors, lots of mixed effects in this. Got 2 boxes of the Space Wavos. I got the one open. Let me. Look at these, man. These things are just huge. Just, damn near as big as my fist. That's crazy. 2 boxes of those. Had to grab a couple of these, add to the stash, the collection. I got the bomb pops and the coconut bombs too, so still need to get on doing my cracker stash video. I'll get there. I've just been busy with this stuff, trying to get all this other stuff together. And that's it. Back here. Alright guys, 412 Pyro. You guys have a good and safe 4th. Don't forget, these tariffs aren't going down anytime soon, so grab what you can. from who you can, when you can. So, all right, guys, be safe. Peace.